Hello, this video is a bending tip for Nomad Sculpt. Here, to bend a shape like this. Okay, this is our test object. Yes, you have to mask a part, but use a very big radius and here brush here a little bit. And both sides are now masked. And now we use the gizmo, and you have to use the pivot and bring the, yes, here where the mask ends, I think is the word for it. And here bring it to the rotation point where it should be bended. Okay, pivot is okay, or let's test it. And the trick is here is a slider in the settings of the gizmo. Now I'm going here 41 degrees and I try to bend it, then this happens. Okay, back. And when you bring it to 90 degrees, then it should work fine. Sorry. Like this. Why this happens, I think this has something to do with the mask. Perhaps we have to sharpen it. Let's test it with a sharp mask. Gizmo. No, sharp mask doesn't work. And blur it a little bit. Okay, a little bit of blurring and it works. Wireframe off. Yes. Okay. I hope you can need it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.